Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Apptivo CRM admin portal using SSO, full guide step by step. To begin, log in to your Apptivo CRM account as an admin. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select the single sign-on SSO option from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the SSO setup page. Here, you will find an overview of the SSO configuration process. Start by entering your identity provider's details. Input the SSO URL provided by your identity provider. Next, you will need to enter the issuer URL. This URL is also given by your identity provider. Proceed by filling in the public certificate field. You can obtain the public certificate from your identity provider. Ensure that all details entered are accurate to avoid authentication issues. Once you've entered all the required information, click on the Save button. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating the SSO configuration was successful. Next, test the SSO functionality by navigating to the Apptivo login page. Attempt to log in using your identity provider credentials. If authentication succeeds, you will be redirected to your Apptivo dashboard. In case of any errors, revisit the settings to verify that all details are accurately filled. Additionally, confirm that your identity provider settings align with the information provided in Apptivo. If necessary, reach out to your identity provider's support for in-depth assistance. Once authentication is confirmed, notify your team about the SSO setup completion. This will streamline their login process and enhance security across your organization. Regularly check and maintain the SSO settings for any updates or changes in your identity provider. This ensures that your Apptivo CRM remains secure and functioning efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.